Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Babysense monitor is not connecting, it can be stressful because you rely on it for real-time monitoring and peace of mind. You might see no signal, a frozen connection, or the parent unit failing to detect the camera altogether. This issue usually comes down to pairing problems, signal interference, or a temporary system glitch rather than a serious defect. Since these monitors depend on a stable wireless connection between the camera and display unit, even small disruptions like distance, power interruptions, or incorrect setup can break that link. The important thing is to reset and reconnect the system properly so both units can communicate again. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix a Babysense monitor that's not connecting. Try these. Step 1. Ensure both the camera and parent unit are powered on. Step 2. Place the units closer together to improve signal strength. Step 3. Restart both the monitor and camera devices. Step 4. Repair the camera with the parent unit using pairing mode. Step 5. Remove any objects causing signal interference. Step 6. Confirm the connection is restored and video displays properly.